Who wouldn't want to earn money while sleeping? That's the allure of affiliate marketing, and AliExpress offers an exceptional platform to make that dream a reality. First things first, one must understand what affiliate marketing is. In simple terms, it is a process where you promote others' products and in return, earn a commission for every purchase made through your unique link. It's a win-win situation for both parties. You get a cut of the profit, and the company gains a sale they might not have otherwise. Now onto the main course, how to start affiliate marketing with AliExpress. AliExpress, a global e-commerce platform, offers an affiliate program that can turn your website, blog, or social media page into a money-making machine. Step 1. Sign up for the AliExpress affiliate program. It's a straightforward process. Visit the AliExpress affiliate page, fill out the form, and wait for approval. Remember, the more detailed and accurate your information, the higher your chances of getting approved. Step 2. Choose the right products to promote. AliExpress boasts a vast array of products, so consider your audience's interests and needs when selecting products. If your website is about tech, for example, promoting the latest gadgets might be a good fit. Step 3. Promote the products. Use your unique affiliate link to promote the products on your platform. You can write product reviews, create a comparative analysis, or simply share the link on your social media platforms. The key here is to provide value to your audience while subtly promoting the product. Step 4. Earn commissions. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. So the more people you can attract to your platform and convince to buy the products, the more money you'll make. And that's it. It's a simple yet effective way to earn money through affiliate marketing with AliExpress. To recap, the steps to start affiliate marketing with AliExpress are: sign up for the affiliate program, choose the right products to promote the products using your unique link, and earn commissions for every purchase made through your link. It's important to remember that success in affiliate marketing doesn't come overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and a good understanding of your audience's needs and interests. But with the right approach, you can turn your platform into a lucrative business. So, are you ready to dive into the world of affiliate marketing with AliExpress? It's a journey that could potentially change your financial future. Embrace the opportunity and start earning today.